Icon builds homes using additive construction, better known as 3D printed construction, using advanced robotics, software, architecture, and materials. Our wall system is engineered to be more resilient, more resistant, and able to stand against extreme heat and cold. Designed to resist forces powerful enough to flip a semi-truck. And in a world where 2.8 billion people lack access to adequate housing, this isn't just innovative technology, it's potentially world-changing technology. Icon is reimagining the future of construction and changing the way we build.